Morning guys, we're packing for Nambour and you guys have asked to see what we're taking, so I'm doing this now. Got everything outside here. So I want to show you first is Scooby's taking some of his good games up, so because he keeps putting too much on Afterpay. So these are some of Scoob's games.
I think some of them are ones I've taken before because the price on them.
No, if they got the price on them, they've taken for. Yeah, but I don't remember having the game. They're not priced. Oh yeah, they are. Oh, so that box might have already gone.
But there's other ones I've put in there afterwards. So.
Yeah, that's true. The ones without prices, yeah. I'm trying to be slow, guys. Okay, so you get to see them all. So we already had these in the car. Oh, these ones is already priced up. So these ones have already been, if they're priced, they've already been to Nambour once. They haven't been though. Oh, some old Segas too. So that's a brand, this is a brand new, this is all PlayStation 2 here. These haven't seen the light of day. Somebody paid 30 bucks for that Star Wars one. It's got 30 on that. Did you pay 30 bucks for a game?
Which one? No.
Nah, didn't think you had.
I probably would have got for a few dollars from cash converters.
Yeah. So yeah, is it Sonic? $2 you paid for that. You get more than 2 for that?
Yeah. it's so cool.
PlayStation 2, some of them can be worth money. All right, there's another one over here we've got to go and look at. Let me just, look, we haven't even started packing the trailer yet. All right, this is some of the stuff that's going in to the trailer. Well, let's go back to the games because, you know, you'll probably want to stop it and go, where's the games? PSPs. These are all PlayStation. You got heaps of PlayStation 2s, man. I didn't know you had this many.
Yeah, these are ones that were in the Blockbuster video show.
Oh, okay.
My
Your private collection. Scooby-Doo! Mystery Mayhem. Well, some PS2s can be worth money, eh? PlayStation 2 games. So anyway, that's his games, basically, that he's taken. It's to help Scooby fund at the moment. It's helping Scooby pay his Afterpays off. Okay, this is the Pick and Family shit. These individual meats, got them from Dan. They're still current, you can still eat them. We might eat them, we probably won't eat them. This is music, I think. Yeah, Countdown. There's a couple of 360s in there. Archer, Rage Against the Machine. There's a heap of comics in here. That's just normal DVDs. The normal DVD, the music ones I'll sell for about $5, but these ones here will be $1 each. And there's some good series in there. This is cool. You know, we keep back our better stuff. These are silver. These are cool, man. Moon shoes. The box, when I got this curbside, and the box was with them, but it was fucked. Oh, these are the guys have seen it. I will put on. Do you like my helmet? 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 people. It's pretty good, isn't it? These hats we got, we reckon these have got a bit of vintage to them.
They're older.
Yeah.
Dan was saying that there might be ones that they sell at Culture Kings, but I went into Culture
Kings and looked, and they weren't.
They're not.
No. Yeah, that's a good Lakers one. What we got there? And then a New York. Some cassettes. There's a bit of glass in there. This is an old jewelry box. Ann Stokes. Again, this is just shit DVDs. Well, you know, quality merchandise, but you know what I mean. Like, you know. It's a little thing. It's just a backpack. These were brand new. We got that from one of the garage sales. We watched them. Look, remember Mr. Toys, 149. A couple of typewriters. They're not reds or yellows or anything cool. That's a cool. This is we don't do a lot of China, but this is a vintage. We looked it up. It's worth a lot, but we don't sell things for much. So a bit of China. These are just empty Louis Vuitton boxes. They're just gonna look awesome on the stall. These little things here that you're seeing us pick up. What I've done is I've filled them up with just little. You know, my house is just full of little bits of treasures. So each one of them is just full of little bits of treasures. This is cool. Yeah, I might get $100 for that. That's pretty cool. And this is cool too. Pair of shoes, just in case my feet get wet. These are all old slides. Probably most of my family, but I haven't gone through them. I was going to, but I've got no time for shit like that. That's the swimmer. He's full of dust. He's been sitting in my house for about a year. Coca-Cola thing. I don't know what's in here. Rubbish. Kardashians. Some more games. This is cool. That's a really good neck. The old Castro bottle. That's gone. They're crystal. These here are old Western books. A Royal Dalton Toby jug. We really wanted to give that to the guy that's got the Nambour Sweet Shop. So if you're watching the video, mate, that'll be behind the counter. Come and get it tomorrow. Because we don't see you at the markets anymore. That's one of them TikTok's top thingies. I think I got that on eBay at like 500 or some shit, but I'll probably sell that for $100 up there. Somebody wants it. That's pretty cool. They sell for about 80, $100. They'll probably get 50 or 40. The tools. That's my drink. I'm having some of that. No wild boar for me today. Okay, what else was I going to show? I forgot my. Oh, the tools down here. Some more of those tools we got. Look at this pot and this. A swan neck lamp. These wouldn't have been the original ones, I don't think. Kimmy thinks they were, but I don't think they are. It's a bit of nudie rudies. So all this is going to go in there. It's supposed to rain and shit up Nambour, so we don't know what the hell we're doing. I showed you that stuff over there. So we didn't pack yesterday because we knew it was going to piss down, and it did. It really rained here. There's a couple of those things. Well, they'll get thrown in too. So that just gives you a look. And we'll see you at Nambour. All right. Lodge is all, and 1,000 subs. We're pretty happy with that. We don't know what we're doing. And we're now paid TV stars, by the way. We've earned $1.68. All right, see you guys. Love yous.